welcome back, children. Now, the one thing that I absolutely love about Christmas is having a Christmas cracker. Now, this one I've made myself, so I reckon you could actually make one too. I'll tell you what you need. You need one of these, the cardboard from out of a toilet roll. So there's a couple here. They're great for doing things with. And a nice piece of your favourite wrapping paper. Now, place this in the centre of your wrapping paper and just make sure that when your grown-up has helped you and you have cut it round, that there is enough, there is enough gap all the way around your cardboard tube. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, without anybody seeing, I'm going to put some chocolate inside there for the present. Let's see, maybe I could put, I'll put three chocolates in there, shall I? That'd be nice. And then I'm going to roll it until it looks like one big tube. I'm going to get a piece of sellotape and just place that on so it will look like that. Okay. Next, making sure that the sweets are still inside and I haven't fell out, make sure that you can feel where your fingers are, you can feel the edges where the cardboard tube is. It's about there. And then squeeze, just pinch the ends of the paper like that so that it will stop your chocolates coming out. Oh, it's a surprise. Like that. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, you could use ribbon or you could use sellotape. I'm going to use a little bit of that same ribbon that we used earlier and I'm going to just tie it around the ends just to make sure that that person won't see what's inside. So we've scrunched up the ends, we've put some lovely ribbon. You could use tinsel, you could use anything you like. And the other thing you can do, if you wanted another idea for a place setting with somebody's name on, you could actually use these instead, and you could actually put somebody's name on the front and place it where they're going to sit at the dinner table. So I have now made a cracker shape. Some people like to cut all the ends round to make them all frilly. I like to just leave them like that, but I am going to put a little bit of glue on the top because I like a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of glitter. And I'm just going to put, oops, it's here. A little bit to just make it a bit sparkly there. Oh, I think all the sparkle's actually sticking to me from the tinsel. Oh, it is. Yours will probably turn out better than mine at the front. But there we go, we've got a couple of crackers ready to pull after our Christmas dinner. Have a go yourself. It's great fun. Wonder what can be inside there. See you later.